Electricity. We take it for granted. It's all around us. Safe, convenient, and totally essential for life as we know it. But it's the most potentially dangerous thing we face every day of our lives. The electricity needed to power the 20th century could be a massive destructive force if it's not contained and controlled. But the electricity supply industry has a remarkable safety record, and that's testament to an industry which puts safety and reliability at the top of its agenda, and to regulators who rigidly enforce those standards. Reyrolle Technology, part of the Rolls-Royce Industrial Power Group in the UK, plays a major role in helping the industry keep those high standards, not only by testing transmission and distribution equipment to the highest international standards, but also in supplying the expertise to help you operate the most efficient and safe power systems. It's a talent which goes back to the turn of the century. It's a vastly different world today, but those years of experience have helped make Reyrolle Technology a world leader. This is the heart of the Reyrolle Technology operation, the British short-circuit testing station. It was the first short-circuit test station in the world and is still one of the largest and most versatile. More importantly, it is uniquely independent, operating a completely confidential service for clients. BSTS is fully accredited by both NAMAS and ASTA certification services. That means that independence, confidentiality, test procedures, accuracy of measurements, acceptance criteria, and reporting are accredited and verified by internationally accepted bodies. In other words, documentation from tests imposed on equipment here is fully recognized throughout the world. In its other laboratories, Reyrolle Technology is able to recreate some of the worst conditions that the world's weather is able to throw at power transmission equipment. Lightning strikes provide an obvious hazard. Reyrolle Technology is able to create a 4 million volt strike inside this building. Sophisticated monitoring equipment analyzes every aspect of performance. We operate one of the largest environmental chambers in the world. The 160 cubic meter chamber is capable of creating temperatures from the poles to the equator, with a temperature range from -30 Celsius to a rather warm +55 Celsius. Equipment can be fully tested while carrying current for its own thermal performance. Mechanical type testing and life test simulations are also conducted. It's all part of a laboratory complex which is able to undertake the full range of testing, from short-time current and short-circuit making and breaking to active load, reactor and capacitor bank switching. From arcing faults to no-load switching of cables, overhead lines and transformers. From certifying low-voltage equipment to testing some of the highest-rated circuit breakers in the world. This is the nerve centre of the British short-circuit testing station, a sophisticated control room kept entirely apart from the rest of the Reyrolle operation as part of that overriding commitment to confidentiality. This laboratory can call on 3 separate power sources for its test. 2 purpose-built short-circuit generators deliver direct test energy after their driving motors have been disconnected. The generators have a combined short-circuit output of 3,700 MVA. In addition, a 600 kilojoules capacitor bank can be used to make synthetic tests to the highest rating. That power is routed to one of 4 test bays, 2 of them outdoors, which are able to test the equipment to its full potential.
Ready for test.
Whether it's research or development or final certification, the commitment to confidentiality is rigorously enforced. And while a client's equipment is on test, admittance is strictly controlled to ensure that data is kept totally confidential. That information is collected on equipment constantly monitored to ensure its accuracy. Normal power supply frequencies are measured using data management systems, while medium frequencies are measured using transient recorders with AD conversion. High frequencies are measured using high-performance oscilloscopes and fiber optic interfaces. It adds up to a complete service providing the right data from the right conditions. More than 60 years of experience, matched with commitment to the client, all under the watchful eye of the most demanding accreditation bodies in the world. The British Short Circuit Testing Station not only carries out the tests, we also offer a total service including gas and equipment handling and decontamination of SF6 filled equipment. Leading expertise in calibration and measurement techniques is also available to our clients, whether it's at Reyrolle Technology or at your site. But testing is not the only expertise which Reyrolle Technology offers. It's a world leader in power technology with internationally acclaimed experts not only serving the customer, but also contributing to the creation and maintenance of international standards. That talent enables Reyrolle Technology to offer an unrivaled power systems analysis service, helping design safe and efficient power plants in a whole host of applications. Offshore oil production platforms are a typical example. Safety is paramount and systems must be reliable. Reyrolle Technology has advised some of the biggest industrial complexes and power utilities in the world. Whether it is power systems analysis, development testing, type testing, or certification, major organizations from all over the world choose Reyrolle Technology. It's within 1 hour of 3 major East Coast ports, the Tees, Weir and Tyne. Transporting heavy equipment on regular shipping services from anywhere in the world couldn't be easier. And for smaller equipment, there are 2 international airports, also within an hour's traveling time. Getting equipment and staff here could not be easier. Putting your equipment to the test could not be in better hands.